My name's Alana, and today we'll be going over how to add a bespoke function within Zubi, or how to create a label to overlabel your imported product. To do this in Zubi is very simple. On the home page, click Add Bespoke Function. Then, as with other functions within Zubi, you are prompted to fill in different tabs with the needed information for your label. On each tab, there are different subsections for you to fill in. For this example, I'll be using a photo that was sent to us by one of our customers who has an incorrectly labeled rice noodles. To do this, we start with the ID tab, calling them rice noodles, or whatever product you wish to give them a name. In the description is where you put information that is applicable to the product in question. You will obviously know what the country of origin is for your product, even though it is not showing in this video photo. This was made in China. So you can also edit the business name, obviously mine is a testing account, add any brand that is applicable, and add a barcode if you want for your own purposes within retail selling. For an example of an importer that actually uses this barcode feature, please see our testimonials on our website and look for the Vetro one. Here you can see a video describing the process and how they use Zubi, and a label that they have printed directly from Zubi. Once you've filled in the ID tab, you simply click onto the next tab, Pack Size or NIP. Here is where you need to read information from the information that you've been supplied from your distributor. So you need to set the pack size by however much it is in, and the serving size accordingly. Then you fill in the table with the NIP panel depending on what way around the information is supplied. In this instance, it has been supplied by quantity per serving. Once you have filled in the main table from the NIP panel provided, you can also add any additional nutrients that are presented on the table, in this instance, calcium and iron. To do that, you look at this table here of additional available nutrients and simply search for them. Once you've located the nutrient in question, click the plus green symbol. You will then find this nutrient at the bottom of the table for you to add the additional information to. Once you have finished adding in the additional information and have crossed over the details that are needed, you then move along to the next tab. Here is where you add any allergens that are applicable to the imported product in question. As you can see in this new version of Zubi, we have added the subtypes of gluten and tree nuts, should you have any. The example that is being used in this video unfortunately does not have any allergens with which to add, but should there be some, you simply click the appropriate column, whether it is contains or may contains. Once you've added the allergens that are present in your product, you then move on to warnings and simply click on any that are applicable. With the on-pack text is where you'll click and add information as per advised by your supplier or on the pack itself. I have simply clicked Keep in an airtight container for demonstration purposes. Moving on to the listings is where you copy the ingredient declaration supplied by the supplier or on the package that needs to be converted. Once you've finished filling in all the tabs with the appropriate information, this is when you can go back to the home page and look at your report or label for this, depending on what sort of branding you are going to put on. Shown here is an example generic label that is produced by Zubi and is editable to suit the size of your printer should you wish to print within or from Zubi. As you can see, it has converted the information which is incorrect on the current packaging to the correct FSANZ standards and layout. Alternatively, you can also use our Zubi report and copy and paste the information that is produced to a label that is suitable for your branding purposes. Thanks for watching how to add Bespoke product within Zubi, and I look forward to assisting you with the rest of your Zubi experience. Please do get in touch should you need anything through our website.